In this video, I'll show you how to create a frequently brought together product bundle for WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so throughout the video, I'm going to show you how to create a frequently brought together section similar to this one here. Okay, so the customer can actually go ahead and add our recommended products to your cart and go ahead and save as well. And you can determine if you want to add any savings or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create this section here. So if you want to create something similar, the first step is to head over to WooSuite.com. Go ahead and download the WooSuite product bundle plugin. Once you've done so, let's head back over to our dashboard and I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, so here we are in our WordPress dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded a plugin, the next step is to go ahead and install that plugin. So you just navigate to plugins, add new, upload and install the file in which you just downloaded. Okay, and then you just want to go ahead and navigate to activate, entering your license key, and then it will redirect you to this page here. And then you can just go ahead and toggle the product bundle option to on. Once you've done so, you'll see this manage link here, and you'll also see this WooCommerce product bundle tab. So we're just going to go ahead and click on this here, or you can click the manage link. It leads you to the same page. Okay, and we've got a few global general options here. Okay, so the first one is, let's say, for example, customers wanted to take you up on your offer and go ahead and add all the products to their cart. Then this is that text here. So you want to rename this to something that makes sense for your business. Okay, and then we've got the option to show the amount saved. Okay, and then we definitely want to enable the bundle upsell. And then here we can just go ahead and add a text for the bundle upsell. So here we'll just enter in this message which says frequently brought together. And then for the upsell template, we'll go ahead and select bundle product list. So once we've done this, we'll just go ahead and save changes, and then we'll go ahead and create our first product bundle, which will be used as our frequently brought together product. Okay, so we'll just navigate to products. I'm going to go on all products. Since I've already created a product bundle, I'm just going to show you how I've created that product bundle instead of creating a new one. So I've just created this product bundle here. So I'm going to edit it. In your case, you'll just click add new to add a new product. It's just like any other WooCommerce product. So you go ahead and enter in a product name, the product description, add your featured image and any gallery image if you choose the category and any tags you want to add as well. Okay, but the main difference is where it says product data here, we just want to go ahead and select product bundle. Okay, so once we've selected product bundle, we'll see this bundled product section here. So we'll click on this. So we've got two types. We've got default and above default, and I'll show you exactly what both of those templates look like in a second. Okay, so we'll skip that for now. So where it says applies to, so we've got various options for creating our bundle. So we can add the products individually. Okay, so if we select products here, and then in this section, we can go ahead and search for any other product that we want to add to this bundle. Okay, or we can create a bundle based on a particular category. So if we selected category here, we can choose, for example, this samples category, and it will create a bundle based on all the products within that category. Okay, so I'm going to remove this, and product tag works exactly the same as product category. Okay, so for the price display, I'm going to go ahead and choose custom particular bundle package. Okay, and then here we can add various rules. So let's say, for example, if you sell to retailers and B2B customers, then maybe you want to offer the B2B customer a lower price. Okay, so in that case, we'll just add a rule, and then here we can go ahead and select the user role. Okay, so for example, we can select, we can select wholesale customer, and then everyone. Okay, so everyone is all the other user roles basically, but we can go ahead and specify a specific user role if we wanted. So we could say customer. Again, if you only sell to one customer type, then this is irrelevant. You'll just go ahead and select everyone here, and then just enter in a price. Okay, so for all the products within this bundle, the customer will be paying $90. Okay, and for the product quantity, this is how many of this particular product is included in the bundle. So here we've added 4 of this rustic product and 1 vanilla. That's included in our bundle. We can add a new product here as well. So we can say we can go ahead and add this spicy product. Okay, and again, we can change the quantity, but we'll just leave it as it is. We want to go ahead and enable add all to cart. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hide the individual add to cart button. You might want to display this, it's totally up to you, but in my case I'm just going to go ahead and hide it. Okay, I'm going to hide the individual product quantity because we've already specified a fixed amount that we want the customers to purchase, and if they purchase at fixed amount then they'll get it for our bundled price. Okay, so I'm going to hide the individual prices as well, and I'm hiding the individual product description, and then here where it says hide bundle upsell notice, I'm going to select no for this, and I'll explain why in a second. Okay, so fixed price discount, we can leave this as default for now, so we can just leave it blank. It only applies if, for example, let's say here for the price displayed you chose combine, which will basically add up the price of all the products within our bundle and then display it, and then based on that combined price we can just offer a discount here. Okay, but in my case I just opt to create a fixed package deal. Okay, so this is our product bundle created. So we'll just click publish or update in my case. So let's go ahead and actually update this since we've added this extra product. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and view our product. Okay, and here we can see our extra product displaying. Okay, so that's fine. So this is our template showing above the fold. Okay, so you might not care too much about this, but I'll just quickly show you template 2 as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select the default template. Let's update this, and then let's go ahead and refresh this page. And now it's basically showing below the fold. Okay, so how you display it's totally up to you. But the key thing is, let's say for example a customer was shopping on this particular product here. They'll see this frequently brought together section that we've created. Okay, so this frequently brought together section is all the products that we've added in our bundle. Okay, and then they've got the option to choose the color and the size and so on, and then they can just go ahead and bundle and save. Okay, so that's how you'd create a frequently brought together section. Okay, so this is powered by this is also powered by our WooSuite product bundle plugin. Okay, and this basically allow you to create various quantity breaks, so we can go ahead and encourage customers to purchase more and increase the average order value size in your store. Okay, so if you're interested in creating this section, I'll leave a link in the description below of how you'd actually go ahead and create this quantity break on your site. And that's how you create a frequently brought together section in WooCommerce in just a few simple steps. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.